Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got the FIF20 from Philippe Georget, Custom Knife Factory, here with me for a quick maintenance video. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content. So let's get started. This guy is gonna require a T6 and a T8 for the pivot. And we can just start because this is a pretty cool one, guys. T6 screws for the handles, for the scales, sorry, and T8 for the pivot. I think the pivot is a spinning one, so I'm not sure. Let's see. Underneath here we've got also T6, so let me see, probably, yeah, let's do like a thorough cleaning because it's been a while that I'm not doing on this guy. So let's do it. So this is a very cool knife, guys. It's a nice front flipper, very well made. Custom Knife Factory is just killing it. They're doing very nice very nice production versions of pretty popular custom knives. You see the work they did with Peter Assenti, for example. Love their stuff. The Satori and the Snafu. Oof, they are really cool ones. And what I really like about this brand is that they give you extra clip, extra screws, and that's a really cool thing for sure. So the disassembly here is going to be pretty straightforward, not too difficult. It's it should be a breeze. And let's see, where's the T8? Right over here. Okay. And maybe we can open the blade like that. So this operation is useful because you need we're gonna need two T8. So I like to remove the screw, the pivot screw, with the blade open, because when you unscrew the pivot with the blade closed, and then you're gonna open, you're gonna be opening the blade, you might scratch the blade because the blade will be off center, okay, and it might be the case that the blade is gonna be rubbing up against the inside of the scales or of the liners, and then it's gonna get scratched. So I always try to do it with the blade open to avoid that. Like in this case, so we got rid of that. So this guy should actually, no, we just need a couple of screws removed right over here. Let me see, yeah, like that. That seemed quite loose. And that is one. There's a pin, like it's just like floating. It's not hinged or anchored to anywhere. And that's the second screw for the handle, which can be now removed. Look at this. Nice. There is some minor milling on the inside. It's nice they put the date right over here. Nice Zirk backspacer with its pin. So let's just go ahead and clean it up. It's not that dirty, but I already noticed the ball bearings. I like to orient them in the other way, not like that. And soon I'll be getting some skiff bearings for this guy. I should have waited to do this video just to swap the bearings, but yeah, whatever. I might be able to do another video in the future just to swap the bearings and compare the action. Not that these have anything wrong, but I really do like the skiff bearings. I put some on my Shamwiri, and they kind of improved the action on that one. So I really liked it. They have this like solid cage to hold the ceramic ball bearings, which are not going anywhere, of course. Not even like in these, they're not like Shirogorov, like loose, but I prefer, see, this is like that, so it feels like the CKF ones, they feel a little bit more sturdy and high quality. So for a high quality knife, you know, sometimes you want the best. All right, so that is done, and we cleaned everything. We can just start with adding some of the nano oil. Let's just use this guy over here, and this, yeah, 10 weight, just a couple of drops, one over here, here we go, and a little bit like that, and we can also do here and a little bit around the pivot. So that's done. And then we're gonna use I'm gonna put the bearing like here, like so, and in this case it's going to be like that, okay. And actually, yeah, let's do like this. Stop pin is in that position, so we just need the centering pin, let's say, right over here, which is gonna probably fall on the other side, but let's just try to see if we can align the backspacer like so. Okay, that is good. We're gonna take our T6 and we're gonna do 1 and 2 right over here, and very gently screw this in and this in as well. Look at that. Don't over tighten this one because you don't want to create any troubles. So here is fine. Check the stop pin that it's in place, and we are pretty much good to go. We can just clean it up a little bit here. There's some pocket lint in the crevices over here. We're just gonna clean it nicely. So we have a clean surface. Look at that. Beautiful. All right, so we can actually put this scale back. So pretty straightforward. I mean, guys, it's just there's some parts involved here, but it's nothing crazy. I mean, it's doable. Probably, you know, 10-minute job. You can actually do it. All right, so the other side, we are just making sure that the pin is in place, nice and clean like that. We're gonna use this. By the way, these screws are pretty cool, and as I said, Custom Knife Factory is including some extra hardware, so in case you're gonna scratch the pocket clip, you have a new one in the package. So how cool is that? This guy is the shortest, so it goes here. Here you go. And this is the longest and just goes right over here. Let's be careful here. Yeah, exactly. Like so. Very, very nice. Clip is in place. And we're just going to need another T8 for the pivot right over here. But before going ahead, we're going to use a little bit of blue Loctite for the pivot screw, something like that. This is a very weak Loctite. It's not like the red one, so it's not like a crazy strong thread lock. So it's gonna be easy to remove and to access. Once again, the knife, if you need to do some maintenance on that. So let me see. Okay, so we're gonna need a little bit more. Oh yeah, that's right, this guy is spinning, so we're gonna need again this guy over here. So when you do this operation, just be careful that you hold nicely, and as soon as the blade is centered, you're just gonna make the oil rotate. Check for blade play. There is a little bit, tiny bit of blade play, so we're just gonna make sure. All right, let's see. Now blade play is gone. We're gonna add just a tiny bit of nano oil, weight 85, on the detent ball, just a little dab right there. So this is more viscous, and let's see. Ooh, guys, that's ooh, I really like the action. Very smooth, actually. Really cool. Blade is centered, very nice. No blade play, and smooth action. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned.